In this video, we're going to cover how to add batch services to clients. Batch services are really useful when you want to group certain services together and add that entire group of services to a client all at the same time. So for example, let's say that after clients spend a week in my program, they automatically get a certain set of services. To create a batch, you'll go to Batch Services and then select Add New Batch. Name your batch, and you can also associate a program for this batch. This means that only clients who are in my emergency shelter program will be able to receive this particular batch. At the bottom of the screen is where you're going to select the services that are going to comprise the batch. Click on the magnifying glass, and then select your services from the list. You can also change the units and the unit value for each of these services. Once you're done, select Save. We can now see our newly created batch. To add clients to that batch, click on the blue action button and select Add Clients to Batch. The first portion of the screen is where you're going to find your client. If you know the client's ID, you can type it in the Client ID box, and when you click outside of the box, their information will then appear below. Once you're done, select Save. You'll notice that you'll remain on the Batch Services page. The useful thing about batch services is that you don't actually have to be on that particular client's dashboard for you to enter them into the batch. You can search and add any client to the batch, regardless of who is listed as your current client near the top left corner. You can also click on the magnifying glass and search for your clients by name, social, or birth date. Once you have searched for and found your client, you can go ahead and select them, and again, their information is going to appear near the bottom of the page. So even though this is a completely different client from our current client listed in the top left corner, we can still add them to the batch from this page. This way you can go through an entire list of clients without having to go back and forth between their dashboards. Click on Cancel to exit the batch. Now when we look at our client's dashboard, we can see he has the group of services that we put into the batch.